and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today is my 4th Stitch Fix unboxing, I believe. I am so excited. I'm always very excited about Stitch Fix unboxings because I always get at least a good couple of clothing items out of these boxes, and a lot of them have become my absolute favorite things in my wardrobe, including the shirt I'm wearing and the earrings I'm wearing, as a matter of fact. So I am unboxing this with you today. I have not gotten into it yet. I did get it in the mailbox today. I will leave a timestamp on the screen for those of you who are already very familiar with Stitch Fix and just want to see the unboxing and try on part of this video, but I am, for everybody else, going to do a quick run through of what Stitch Fix is and how it works. Stitch Fix is a $20 a month styling subscription service. So the way it works is you schedule a fix with Stitch Fix. You can choose how often you want your fix to come, and when you schedule it, you also pay a $20 styling fee. What that does is it goes towards Stitch Fix to put together and curate a 5-piece fashion box, essentially. So you'll get fashion items, you could get shoes, jewelry, handbags, and then of course every piece of clothing that you could possibly get in your box. So a stylist from Stitch Fix puts together this curated box for you based on a style quiz that you fill out, and then they send you the box. You go through it, choose which items you want to keep, which items you want to send back. Shipping is free both ways, and then you pay for anything that you choose to keep. Now that $20 that I mentioned earlier that you paid as a styling fee does get applied to anything that you choose to keep. If you choose to keep at least one thing, you don't lose that $20. If you choose to keep nothing, you do lose that $20. So there is that. If you have not signed up for Stitch Fix, if you are not a Stitch Fix person yet and you would like to become a Stitch Fixer, there will be a link down below that you can click on that will give you $25 off of your first box, and it also gives me $25 off of my next box. So you definitely don't have to use my code, but if you are new to Stitch Fix, I would definitely recommend getting that $25 off by using anybody's referral link. Oh, also, if you decide to keep absolutely everything in your box, you do get a discount of, I think it is 25% off of the total value of your box. So that's a little bit of incentive to perhaps keep everything, which I have done now for 2 out of my 3 boxes. Suffice to say, I'm a big fan of Stitch Fix. I did request specific items in my last box and didn't end up loving most of the items. I think I only ended up keeping 2 out of the 5 things, but in the 2 boxes previous to that, I did keep all 5 items. So I didn't make any special requests this time, and I guess we'll see what she put together. I think I had the same stylist, but I'm not 100% sure. I guess we are about to find out. So without further ado, let's break her open. All right on top we do have the return mailer, so they do include this just in case you want to send anything back. Again, as I mentioned earlier, free shipping both ways. We also have the little pamphlet right here that has the pricing guide in it, as well as the style guide in it, and a note from my stylist. Something I forgot to mention earlier that I'll mention just real quick, you can choose which price tiers you would like to fall into. So I personally chose kind of like cheapest option possible, but you can always elect for higher end items if you'd like. Okay, so it looks like everything, all of my items are in one packaging, so I didn't get any shoes or jewelry. I haven't received any shoes yet from Stitch Fix, but I have received, again, these earrings right here that I wear all the time and absolutely love. So all of my items are right here in this packaging. Ooh, I see stripes. I love stripes. It looks like, ooh, okay, I'm very excited. All right, let's get started. Okay, ooh, okay. So right on top we have, ooh, it's a tank. Oh, cute. All right, I like this. Look at the back. Ooh, dropping the straps. This is really, really cute. Look at the straps on the back there. It looks like it's just a standard tank, I mean, not standard tank top, it's a floral tank top. Let me read the brand here. This is a top by Paper Moon. It is their Basima back detail knit top in the size medium. I have received something from Paper Moon already and I love it. I'm pretty sure it's a cardigan. This is really cute. I'm really excited to try this on. I love this kind of floral patterning where it's not too overwhelming or too busy. I also like this dark navy blue, so I'm really excited about this. All right, moving on. Oh my gosh. Oh, next we have kind of a camisole camisole. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that all kinds of wrong. Fun fact is I have like 2, maybe 3 camisoles that I have owned for probably like 14, 15 years, and they have a ton of holes in them, so I am due for some new camis. So this is, I don't know if you, yeah, you can see that. This is a dark navy blue cami with some really pretty lace detailing in the front here. This is by 9 Britain. This is the Aden lace detailed cami blouse, again in the size medium. This looks like it may be a little too big. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll have to try it on. It's supposed to be in like the mid 80s the rest of the week, so perfect timing for some tank tops. All right. Ooh, what is this? Whoa, this is heavy and large. Is this like a, is this a dress? Or is this, oh my God, it's got legs. What is this? Oh, I am so stoked to try this on. All right, so I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to get this into, oh, I'm sure the camera just loves these stripes. So this is a tank top jumpsuit. It has a split front like that, as you can see. I absolutely love stripes. It looks like it has a tie right here and baggy legs. Oh my God, I'm so excited to try this on. I've never owned anything like this before because I'm a very short person, so finding something like this that fits me properly is really tough. So I'm excited to at least be able to try something like this on. I mean, it's something that immediately off the bat looks, oh my God, it's got pockets. Yeah. So much excitement. Okay, I mean, this would be great if this fit. So let's see, this is by Kalea. I know I've had something by Kalea before, so this is the Kalea, I might be pronouncing that totally wrong, Rika knit crop jumpsuit. I'm so excited to try that on, oh my gosh. All right, so this has all been very good so far. Oh, we got shorts, yes. Ooh, okay, these are high-waisted, it looks like, which is great. I asked for some high-waisted shorts in my last box, and I got some, but I didn't like the style of them. So these are the Just Black Romeo Distressed Cuffed Frayed Hem Denim Shorts in the size 6, which is typically my size, but it looks like I may have to size down. I've had to size down in a pair of shorts before, so we'll have to try them on and see. But it looks like they are supposed to cuff, but the cuffing came undone. Ah, okay, well, that one's not staying cuffed very well. So, okay, definitely excited to try these on. And last, we have, ooh, it looks like these might be work pants. These look, ooh, okay. So these are the Liverpool Lynette Capri skinny pants in a dark navy blue. So I like skinny pants for work in colors like this. There's no pockets, but that's not necessarily a deal breaker for me. So I did ask for work pants in my last box. She did send me some, but I didn't totally love the style of them, but I'm excited to give these a try. All right, let's jump into the style guide and the pricing guide right after I change my battery because it's blinking at me. So in our little pamphlet, we've got our pricing guide and our style guide. Let me go ahead and check to see if I have the same stylist as last time. I do, great. Okay, so I'm gonna read her little note real fast and then we will go over the prices. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm excited. Let's take a look at the prices. Oh, this always makes me so nervous. Okay, all right. Oh. Let's just start with these ones on top. The Liverpool pants. These are the most expensive thing in the box. These are $78, which is a lot of money. But if these fit really well, these are something that I would wear every single week to work. I would be willing to pay a little extra money because I'm in desperate need of some work pants. I have very few of them. Also, I do have some credits for people signing up using my code, so thank you so much if you are somebody who has signed up for Stitch Fix using my referral link below. I am so grateful for you because you are kind of part of the reason why I can continue to do these unboxings and get these clothes. So $78 for this one. Let's move on to the shorts. The next item in here, the Just Black. These are $58, so a little expensive for shorts, but again, same deal as with the pants. If they fit so well, I might be willing to splurge a little bit. Next, we have the jumpsuit, which again, I'm so excited. So in her little note, she did say that she looked on my Pinterest board, so you can link a Pinterest board to your Stitch Fix style profile and your stylist can look through it. So she did say that she looked through my Pinterest board and got some inspiration from there to pull this in to send to me. So this is $58, so the same price as the shorts. So $58 for a jumpsuit, I don't think that's too bad, but again, I've never purchased one. All right, so the cami, this is the 9 Britain. This is $38. Ooh, I mean, if this fit so well, maybe. $38 though, a little pricey. It's a little bit more than a cami, I think, because of the lace detailing in the front and the way that it sits. It's probably more like a tank. And also, it's not tight fitting like a cami usually is. It's a little more short. So $38 though, ooh, a little pricey. Next, I really don't know which thing I'm most excited about, but I am really excited about this. I really need some more summer tops, and this is so cute. I love the way that this looks. So this is the cheapest item in the box, and this is $28. So this again is the strappy tank by Paper Moon. I really love Paper Moon. Okay, so the total cost of all of the pieces, all 5 pieces in my box, is $260. If I chose to purchase everything in the box, I would get that 25% off, which would bump my total down to $195. Remember that your $20 styling fee does get applied to that, which would mean that my cost would be down to $175. And again, I do have some credits to use. So with that being said, let's go ahead and do probably the second most fun part of this whole entire unboxing, which is the try on part. The most fun part being the actual unboxing itself. So join me now as I try all of these lovely pieces on. All right, so I'm trying the try on part a little differently this time. I decided to hold the camera because then maybe you could get a better feel for actually how everything fits. So I have on the first tank that we pulled out. This is the one by Paper Moon. I really like the pattern on this one. I also really like the straps. Let me see if I can get a good picture of the back. How well can you see that? So I really like the way that the back looks. It definitely fits really, really well, and I like the way that it hangs on me. And again, I really like the pattern. I am wearing the high-waisted shorts right now. They're definitely comfortable. I don't know, they feel like they might be a little bit big. So I'll definitely have to feel these out a little bit more. I could always request a smaller size if I wanted to, just because there's a lot of space here and a lot of space right here. I mean, they fit though, they're comfortable. So we'll have to see. Maybe I'll try putting on a more cropped t-shirt and see how I like the way that those look with this. Because I mean, this t-shirt you could wear with pants probably and it would look a little bit better, but I don't know, we'll see. So these are the first 2 items. I mean, I'm definitely very comfortable in this outfit, but this probably more than the shorts. All right, so I went ahead and threw on the cami, the one with the lace detailing up here in the front. I don't know. I mean, I don't hate it. It's definitely just kind of a normal tank top. It doesn't look bad necessarily. Little undecided on this and the shorts so far. I mean, I like it. I like them, but I feel like I need to be a little more picky. Maybe. The more I look at them, the more I'm like, oh yeah, this is cute and this is comfortable, but okay. I have the pair of pants and the jumpsuit to try on now. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so this shirt is mine already. We are focusing on the pants, and these are actually really comfortable. They're nice and slim fit, which is what I prefer. The seam right here is a little funky to get used to just because I don't have any pants that have a seam kind of right down almost the center of the leg, along with, like, you know, the side and the inner seam. These are really comfortable. Again, I like that they are a little bit more high rise, so they fit very comfortably and I don't have to worry about my belly showing. I mean, they are a bit more expensive, but I think that I could get a lot of use out of them. I do like these. These might be keepers. Ooh, all we have left is the jumpsuit. Felix. So I kind of am living for this. I think this is so cute. I mean, I'm sure that wasn't very attractive from the back, but oh my gosh. I think this is so cute and so comfortable. Oh my gosh, it is so comfortable. What do you think? I've never owned anything like this before, but I think it's pretty cute and it fits really well in all of the right places. I'll have to ask Alex what he thinks of it, but this definitely feels like something I want to keep. I don't know if this is any better, but whatever. So now that I have tried all of the pieces on, let's just kind of do some wrap up. Maybe I'll wait a little bit and make a decision on what I'm keeping and what I'm sending back. All right, and we're back. So I'm still wearing the jumpsuit because it's so comfortable and I'm enjoying it so much. Pretty sure I'm gonna keep this one. Also pretty sure I'm going to keep the first tank that we pulled out, the Paper Moon one, just because I really like the pattern a lot. It's super comfortable and I really like the straps on it. I think it's just super cute and I love the coloring on here. So pretty sure I'm gonna keep this. Pretty sure I'm gonna keep this. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep the pants. I know that these are the most expensive thing in the box, but they're really comfortable. I really like the color. I don't have a pair of blue pants like this to wear to work, and I just think that these would add a lot of value to my wardrobe. I work in an office 5 days out of the week and need some good solid pieces for working in the office. So pretty sure I'm definitely gonna keep these 3 items. The total cost for those 3 items is $164. If I were to keep everything, it would be $194. So for $30 more, I could keep the shorts and the other tank. I don't know. You're gonna have to let me know what you would do. If I were to keep the shorts, I think I would size them down because they are loose enough that they're a little too loose, and I feel like I'd be more comfortable in a lower size. And I do really like this tank, but again, I don't know. I should try it on with a pair of pants to make my final decision. I mean, it's a really good color. I do love the color navy. This is a cute tank, but is it worth, I mean, if we split the cost down the middle, 15, 15. Oh, 15 I'd definitely pay for a pair of shorts. 15 for a cami, maybe. So I don't know, but I definitely like this. This is nothing like I have in my wardrobe right now, and it's super comfortable. I could definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of this spring and even this summer. I could even maybe wear this with a bathing suit. That would be super cute. I will leave in the description bar what I ultimately decide. I'll show them to Alex and see what his thoughts are on them, but I know that it's nicer if I tell you exactly what I'm doing. So I hope that you enjoyed this Stitch Fix unboxing. I absolutely love Stitch Fix. I gave my stylist some really good feedback last time because again, I only kept 2 out of the 5 items in my last box, and she did so good this time. So if you are interested in trying Stitch Fix, again, there will be a referral link down in the description bar that you can use to sign up and get $25 off of your first box. And again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to subscribe for more unboxings and more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All buttons are down below. And I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.